Hi guys, I'm going to the market and buy egg and bulad. Bulad, you mean?
Fish.
Ah, yeah, dried fish. Look at my
Hello guys! I'm go to the market guys!
very, very hot here. Super sunny day today. No rain. So that's why ay tabon-tabon. Because super hot. Mag-update lang ko guys kung maabot namin sa market kay murag piki man ang ako ang pamurma diri. Guys, mauna na ang market guys. Ano ito? Pila kang kilo? Ano ba nila guys?
Nagpilang kilo ani oh?
Guys, oh. Kani ba ulam ini? Bulan. Asa may 240? Ha? Mahal ang isda din.
Magreklamo